Good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have a MacBook Air that is not turning on. We are going to be fixing this very quickly. I have already loosened all the screws behind the laptop, so I'll go ahead and pull out the back cover. First step is to pull out the battery and observe the board for any visible bonds or faulty components. I can't see any visible bonds this side, so I might just have to lose the board completely and look on the other side. But before I do that, I think I will have to check and see if the battery is okay. Use a multimeter to check the voltage of the battery. I've already checked the charger. The charger works perfectly well. My multimeter is misbehaving. I think the battery is low. Need to change the battery. That later. Check against the battery is okay. Honestly, I don't think this is a serious problem. Just put the battery back and test this laptop again. Times. All you need to do is just unplug the battery and plug it back in. Let's go ahead and try it. Coming on. Hit the power button again, right? I have a feeling this. We have power. The MacBook is working now. Don't get me wrong. This might fix your problem, but just in case it doesn't, I have to check further on the motherboard. In this case, I think we have fixed this already. Just had to pull the battery out, plug it back in. You can see the laptop is on. Powered on and working perfectly. Action for password. go ahead and leave it to run for a while just to be sure we have fixed the problem. So okay guys, thank you. I think this is working fine, and just go ahead and screw up and cover up the laptop. Turn all the screws back in place. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe.